Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this Bell+Howell wide beam flashlight. So let's open it up. Let's see exactly what comes in the box. It is rechargeable. Okay, so it does come with a cable. It's micro USB to charge it. It's got a switch here. It's a wide beam. Turn it on. It's got a really wide pattern, but I can turn this and go to a spot. And we can also go, we got different modes of operation. There's high, there's kind of medium, low, flash, SOS, and off. Again, there's what it looks like. And again, it's very easy to go from wide to low. Nice strap here. Now to charge it, you're going to charge it with this right here. Okay, so you will need a wall charger, a USB-A wall charger, and then you're going to plug this in. This will only go one way. So there's kind of a flat side and a long side. Push it in. Okay, there's a very small light where you plug it in that flashes green when it's charging. It's fully charged when that green light stops flashing and is on steady. Again, it's right underneath that charging port. A little hard to see. Now it does say it takes about 4.5 hours to charge. That's a glow in the dark button. You'll see it kind of glowing green a little bit. It's just a glow in the dark. Again, wow, this thing is super bright. And again, I can turn it so it's a point. And I can use it while it's being charged. Yeah, very, very bright. Now that little light also comes on when you're just turning it on. See how that little light that's down in there? It's on. Anytime the light is on, that is on. When I cycle through and go off, the light turns off. You know, it's not super heavy either. Okay, so dimensions, overall 7 inches. Down here it's skinnier, 1.5 inches. Up here it's about 2.5 inches. Okay, so we can unscrew this bottom end. This is where the rechargeable battery is. The battery is a 18650, 3.7 volt, 1500 milliamp hours. And so you'll want to put it in with like this part facing forward and this like flat part facing back. It just takes one of these. Looks like we can take that out. So it says if the battery's installed wrong, it'll light up red. Let's try that. I don't see it. Yeah. Oh, there's a red light there. That means the battery's installed wrong. So take it out. Now put that like part down in there. That should be facing up. Now it works. Yeah. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.